Well, hey everyone. So we finally got the 240 running decently. And it ended up being an issue with the timing. So I basically just had to pull the distributor out, restab it, and get my timing just right. So I used my million-year-old timing light, which I thought quit working, but apparently it still works. So anyway, we're gonna take this thing on a real quick spin, at least through the neighborhood, if not down the road. Yeah, so anyway, I'll take you guys along. We'll see what happens. I have no idea, but we're hopeful. And tomorrow is the deadline to register for the first event of the year, which is March 30th, which is this coming Saturday. So anyway, see how it does. Alright, so we made it back to my house. The car was still breaking up a little bit. I didn't really get onto it too hard. Coolant temp went up high. I don't know if maybe I haven't gotten all the air bled out of the system. I know these Nissans and the KAs are stubborn when it comes to bleeding all the air out of the system. So it was also breaking up, as I said. I wonder if that's just because I only have like a gallon of gas in here of 93, which is also part of why it was such a short trip. I just didn't want to run out and have it sitting out there on the road and having to panic to go get it, because it's not registered, not plated, anything like that yet. But anyway, we will proceed on, try and figure out a couple more things. Timing is good now, so I'll get some more fuel in it. And actually, what it also could be is the SAFC. Alright, so I figured I would just kind of show you guys the settings that I've got currently on this thing. Actually, we'll go back. So sensor type, hot wire, 4-cylinder, arrow down and to the right. Yeah, those are my, yeah. Whoops. Come on. There we go. 2 in, 5 out for the sensor. And yep. There's nothing else there. Up to the settings. High throttle. I've got everything set at, well, actually, I guess I lied. Forgot I messed around with some of these. Yeah, so -20. till we get to 3,400, then it's minus 25, but I might need to just put that back to minus 20. I think this thing's gurgling at me. Turn the fans back on. Anyway, that might be low throttle. Had these all pretty much about the same. Oops. Helps if I go the right way. Now, I really do not like having the SAFC in here. This is a naturally aspirated engine. I don't have a turbo. I will someday, but if I have a turbo, I'm not using this SAFC. This thing is just so 1990. Yeah, so my throttle low is 15, high is 50. I could bump that back down to 10. Any points yet? Those are all good. I messed with the deceleration a little bit. Both of them were at 10. Again, it was based on how I had it running before. I'm not going to mess with the deceleration here yet. So, now let's see what happens. Alright. Use that neutral. Why won't you focus? There we go. Alright. There's something wrong with the sensor, or if it's just the settings that I've got in the SAFC right now, but this thing is just not agreeing. We'll go to low throttle first. You guys can make fun of me all you want about this SAFC2 and the high probability that I'm not setting anything right. Like I said, I don't like this thing. I just don't like it. I'd rather not have it in the car, but it's what I've got, and the reason I've got it is because I've got SR injectors. Something happened. Oops. It's because I've got SR injectors in here, and yeah, so maybe someday I'll be able to get like a standalone, some real kind of tuner like a Mega Squirt or something like that, whatever they're called. That'll be in the future, but anyway, we'll keep playing around with this. I'll come back in wherever I am in the process. We're gonna try and get this thing ready for this weekend. If I don't take this car, I'm definitely gonna go. I'll take my helmet with me, and I'll do some ride-alongs, and I'll get some good footage, and you know, so anyway.